nataka umtaje tu Aringe. Leo I want Kenyans wamtaje tu Aringe. Even if you people are not going to vote him because maybe he comes from a small tribe or he comes from a tribe that you don't like, nataka tu umtaje Aringe. That one leader in opposition that you can relate with change. Real change. All these people hakuna mtu haujui. All these people have been in position for years and years and years. And there is nothing you can pin, even one thing they changed. Criticizing is very easy. Who criticize mtu? My friend, everybody is a leader when they are criticizing. But give them an office, give them a call to do for Kenyans. They will do nothing. That's why I'm telling you, huyo kiongozi mmoja mwenye you can relate with kubadilisha Kenya. Kubadilisha, amewahi badilisha, anawekwa hapa, anabadilisha vitu ambao watu hawakuwa wanadhani zinaweza badilika, zinabadilika, anaenda hapa anabadilisha, anaenda hapa anabadilisha. He has his own weaknesses because he's not an angel. But mtaje tu Aringe. Wherever he is, it's not a must that you are going to vote him in 2027. Myself, I'm going to vote him. Yes. Because I'm clear in my mind that this country tumepitwa na ujinga, ukabila na ushenzi. Because saizi when umepeleka mtoto wako hospitali, uambiwa wewe ni kabila fulani, wewe utapata dawa au utakosa. Watoto wetu wanasoma the same schools. Taja huyo kiongozi mmoja. Mtaje tu Aringe. Semi umvote. I'm not telling you. Kwa sababu maybe ukabila na ushenzi imekuingia kwa kichwa. But mtaje tu Aringe. Mtaje tu Aringe. That one leader that you can relate with changing a country. That we are not going to the ballot for the sake of going to the ballot. 2027, we are going to the ballot for the sake of changing our country. But, taja huyo kiongozi, at least Aringe. Even if you not vote him, mtaje tu ajuage that at least, even though some people did not vote me, at least they recognized that I represented real change. That they could look at my history and at least change, they could rate it with me. Mtaje Aringe. Just mention him.